So, came out here to use the snowblower during that storm, and I have no tension on the auger control cable. So in the plight of trying to get this auger control cable, after searching 3 places and no one has it, 2 of the places didn't have any more left in stock, and the big box store apparently doesn't carry them at all, but they'll sell snowblowers, which I don't understand at all. Now I have to wait for the store to open because 9 o'clock is too early for them. They open at 10, to hope they have the cable so I can try to get this job done today. After searching all the places, I'd have to order it online to even get the cable. But I had to find out the length of it first. So, might as well start opening it up, get the length. And while we're at it, maybe we can jerry-rig something to figure it out and get it to work without having to buy any of the parts. So there's this housing right in front of the motor, hides our belts. I'm gonna take off the screws. They're, I believe they're 3/8 inch. Gonna use socket set to open it up and take a look to see what's going on inside. As we can see, now that I got it opened up, you can see the spring end down here. It's completely sheared off, which is pretty typical for a unit this old. To get this cable out, we're going to have to undo this bracket here and that one right there to be able to get this cable out. As you can see, a close-up of the spring. By no means is this going to be the ultimate fix, but we're going to give it a try. Zip tie. Go ahead and connect to that little plate to give us tension to be able to pull that on to drive the auger until we can get the new piece in. So does it work? Yeah. Bit of a pain because you got to pull the cable the entire time and hold it with your hand instead of just obviously depressing the lever. But it did work. So now that I got that part of the job done, it's time to actually take it apart and order the new piece. Again, by no means is that the best way to do that, or is it the right way? But in the moment, it's what worked. And it worked pretty good. Got a little bit of the driveway cleaned up. Sidewalk was a little bit too wet to continue, but all in all, worked out pretty good. So now, we're gonna have to go on, order ourselves a new Auger clutch drive cable, whatever you want to call it.